When will the bull market happen? The bull's time is not a prediction, but understood by the combination of conditions. Historically, major bulls are generally seen after Bitcoin halving periods, in years when liquidity increases. On the macro side, easing interest rate expectations, money flow to risky assets supports the bull. Periods where regulatory pressure decreases and institutional products multiply also create ground for the bull. Summary: focusing on the question, are the conditions turning in favor of the bull, rather than when is healthier? How do we know we've entered the bull? When the following signs start appearing together, we can generally say we've entered the bull cycle. Price structure: Bitcoin and major coins make higher lows and higher highs. Long sideways ranges break upwards. Sharp drops on weekly charts are quickly recovered. Volume and liquidity: total crypto market volume rises sustainably, not just a few spikes. Depth increases in major pairs like BTC/USDT, ETH/USDT on many major exchanges. Interest and volume in new coin listings rise. User and on-chain activity: active addresses, transactions, and fees trend upwards. Total value locked in DeFi increases, not just price, but usage grows. Wallet openings and new user inflow visibly rise. Money flow and news flow: regular net inflows to institutional products are visible. Major negative regulation news decreases, more balanced or positive headlines emerge. News of crypto integration from big companies and financial institutions increases. Sentiment and narratives: the crypto is dead narrative gives way to don't miss out psychology. Frequency of crypto talk on X, YouTube, front circles noticeably increases. New narratives gain strength along with price. What it means: instead of individual signals, if price trend plus volume plus usage plus news flow improve together, bull structure is forming. How to distinguish early, mid, and late bull? It's useful to roughly divide the cycle phases to see the mid-bull you mentioned. Early bull: usually Bitcoin and a few major coins move first. Most altcoins are still slow, many people suspect bear trap. Prices recover, but still below past highs. Mid-bull: while Bitcoin is strong, large and mid-cap altcoins start rising more than BTC. You see successive rally waves in themed projects. Volume spreads to many sectors, not just 1 to 2 coins. The overall market is lively. Late bull: even very weak projects do 2 to 5 times in a few days. Funding rates, leverage, speculation rise excessively. Everyone is in it never falls mode. News flow is overly positive, unrealistic targets are discussed. Rather than whether you missed the bull start, it's important to look, is it early, mid, or late now? There are still many opportunities in mid-bull, but in late bull risk, reward becomes unbalanced. Finally, since 20 to 40% corrections are normal even in bull, it's more logical to focus on understanding the trend and managing your portfolio accordingly instead of taking uncontrolled risk saying we're in bull. Confidence: medium. Reason: based on past cycles and general market dynamics, but future timing is inherently uncertain by nature.